What if I told you Google is quietly handing out bananas without you even asking for them? No search box, no typing, no 10 blue links. Just a banana, straight to your face. This is what's happening right now with AI search, and it is changing everything about how we find stuff online. So today, using nothing but bananas and one very confused gorilla, me, I'm going to explain exactly how AI search works. And by the end, you will know exactly why some websites vanish from search and some bananas get handed out for free. Let's peel this thing open. Literally.
Meet Gordy. Gordy runs a banana stand. Gordy wants people to find his banana stand. But there are millions of banana stands out there. So how does anyone find his bananas specifically? This is where search comes in. Search is just a giant, magical banana finding machine. For 25 years, that machine worked one way. Type a word, get a list of banana links. You'd type best banana smoothie. The machine hands you 10 links. You click, you scroll, you guess. That's called SEO, search engine optimization. Basically, dressing your banana stand up nicely so the machine picks you first. Better titles, right keywords, trustworthy reviews. Basically, banana-flavored charm school. Do it right, and the machine puts your banana stand at the top of the list. Do it wrong, and good luck, buddy. For 25 years, that was the whole game. Rank high, get clicks, sell bananas. But one day, Gordy's customers just stopped showing up. Nobody was clicking anymore.
Gordy scratches his head. Wait, my SEO was perfect. Why is nobody clicking my banana link anymore? So Gordy goes to visit old Vinny, the wise old librarian gorilla who's been running the search machine forever. Vinny, Gordy says, nobody's clicking my banana stand link anymore. What happened? Vinny sighs. Kid, nobody wants 10 banana links anymore. They just want one perfect banana right now. This, Gordy, is AI search. Instead of links, it hands people the answer directly. Meet Byte. Byte is an AI. Byte doesn't hand you a list of banana stands. Byte just tells you the answer. Ask Byte best banana smoothie recipe, and Byte doesn't send you anywhere. Byte just hands you the recipe. Done. No clicking, no scrolling through 5 websites, no ads about banana insurance you didn't ask for. So how does Byte actually know the answer? Great question. Let's find out.
Byte didn't just wake up smart. Byte spent years eating bananas, like millions and millions of bananas. Every website, every blog, every review, every banana forum on the internet, Byte read almost all of it. That's called training data. It's how the AI learned what a good banana smoothie even looks like. But here's the twist. Byte doesn't only remember stuff. Every time you ask something, Byte goes and checks fresh bananas too. This live checking part is called retrieval. Byte grabs the newest, most relevant info right as you ask. So Byte's brain is really 2 things: everything it already learned, plus a live peek at what's happening today. Then Byte mashes it all together into one smooth answer, like a smoothie. Get it? Now here's where it gets interesting for Gordy's banana stand. Byte doesn't pick just any banana for the answer. Byte picks the banana it trusts the most, the clearest one, the most helpful one, the most honest one. This is a huge difference from the old way. Old search asked, who ranks number 1? AI search asks, who do I actually trust? Old search equals a directory. AI search equals a recommendation from a very well-read friend. So the big question for Gordy's banana stand isn't how do I rank number 1 anymore? It's how do I become trustworthy enough to get picked? This whole new skill even has a name, GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, the new SEO. Don't worry, we'll get to exactly how Gordy wins at GEO, but first, let's see why this matters so much for business. Remember when 10 banana stands got clicks from one search? With AI search, usually only one banana stand gets mentioned. This is called a zero-click search. People get their answer and never visit any website at all. Studies show a huge chunk of searches now end with 0 clicks. People get the banana, the stand gets nothing. So, is this bad news for every banana stand ever? Not exactly. It's just a different game now. Because here's the secret. Even in a zero-click world, someone still has to be the source Byte trusts. That trusted stand doesn't just get clicks, it gets quoted by name in front of millions of people asking questions. Being the answer is actually more powerful than being link number 1 ever was, if you can earn it.
Quick note, Byte isn't the only AI banana bot in the jungle. There are actually a few different flavors out there. There's the chatty one. You type a question, it just talks back to you in full sentences, like a very smart banana pen pal. There's the show your work one. It gives you an answer and a neat little list of exactly which banana sources it used. And there's the one baked right into search itself, a little AI summary box that pops up above the old link list. Different outfits, different personalities, but underneath, they're all doing the same basic job: reading, judging, and answering. So everything we're learning about Byte today, it applies to basically all of them. One set of rules, one jungle.
Okay, so how exactly does Byte decide who's trustworthy? Let's open up Byte's brain and look inside. First factor, does your banana page actually answer the question clearly? Not buried in fluff, just clear. Second factor, is your info actually true and up to date? Byte hates being wrong even more than you do. Third factor, do other trusted sources agree with you? If 10 honest banana experts say the same thing, Byte listens. This is basically the AI version of reputation. Old SEO cared about backlinks. AI search cares about being genuinely cited and referenced everywhere. Fourth factor, structure. Byte loves pages that are organized simply. Clear headings, short answers, easy lists. This is literally why some pages now write like, Q, what is the best banana? A, the yellow one. Clean, direct, Byte-friendly. Fifth factor, who are you? Byte checks if you're a real expert, not just some random gorilla shouting into the jungle. This is called EEAT, experience, expertise, authority, trust. Fancy letters for prove you actually know bananas.
Sixth factor, Byte also looks at structured data. Basically, little labels behind the scenes that say, hey, this is a banana recipe. Think of it as putting little name tags on all your bananas, so Byte doesn't have to guess what they are. Seventh factor, speed and access. If Byte can't even load your banana page quickly, Byte just moves right along. So let's recap Byte's checklist. Clear, accurate, backed by others, organized, credible, labeled, and fast. Notice something? None of this is a secret trick. It's basically just being genuinely helpful. Shocking, I know. But here's a twist nobody talks about. Byte can also make mistakes. Sometimes Byte grabs the wrong banana. This is called an AI hallucination, a confident-sounding wrong answer, which is why real sources still matter so much. So real websites with real, accurate info are still the whole foundation. Byte just needs good bananas to work from. So no, websites are not dead. They just became the raw ingredients instead of the final dish.
Okay, so now Gordy understands how Byte thinks, but he's still got a business problem. Fewer clicks, less revenue. So what actually happens to businesses in a zero-click world? Let's look at 3 kinds of banana stands. Stand 1, ignored. Thin content, no real expertise, nothing unique. Byte just skips right past it. Stand 2, copied. decent info, but Byte just repeats the facts without ever mentioning the stand's name. Ouch. Stand 3, chosen. Clear, expert, well-labeled, trustworthy. Byte quotes it by name to every single customer. Guess which stand gets to keep selling bananas 5 years from now? Yeah, it's not the first two. This is also why some businesses are freaking out right now. Traffic is dropping even for good websites. But here's the honest truth. The businesses who panic and do nothing, they're the ones who actually disappear. Meanwhile, the businesses who adapt to being a trusted source, they're actually thriving more than before. So the real threat was never AI search itself. It's ignoring it and hoping the old rules still apply. Okay, Gordy, deep breath. Let's actually fix your banana stand. Time for the GEO Survival Guide. Step 1. Answer real questions directly. Not vague fluff, just the actual answer right up top. Step 2. Show your credentials. Who are you? Why should Byte or anyone trust your banana opinion? Step 3. Get mentioned elsewhere. Other trusted banana blogs, forums, and reviews talking about you builds real trust. Step 4. Structure your info clearly. Headings, short lists, simple language. Make it easy for Byte to lift and quote. Step 5. Keep it accurate and update it often. A wrong or outdated banana fact gets you dropped instantly. Step 6. Answer the exact questions real customers ask in a simple FAQ. Are your bananas organic? Answer it right there. Step 7. Get real customers to leave real reviews. Byte trusts a chorus of honest banana fans way more than one fancy ad. Step 8. Don't just write text. Mix it up. Short videos, simple images, and clear diagrams help Byte understand you faster. Step 9. Be specific, not generic. Bananas for sale loses. Organic yellow bananas, hand-picked daily in the valley, wins. Do these things, and Byte doesn't just find your banana stand. Byte starts recommending it by name every time. Let's see this in action with a few real-world banana situations, shall we? Old way, best banana bread recipe. 10 links, 6 ads, and one weird story about someone's grandma. New way, Byte just hands you the recipe. Grandma's story stays right where it belongs. Old way, comparing 2 banana peelers meant opening 10 tabs and losing your mind by tab 6. New way, Byte just says, peeler A is better for thick bananas, peeler B for thin ones. Done. Comparison over. Old way, businesses fought over keywords like best banana for years just to rank higher than each other. New way, Byte just picks whoever is actually the most helpful and accurate. No more keyword tug-of-war nonsense. Old way, asking a voice assistant, banana shops near me, got you a robotic list read aloud in a flat, monotone voice. New way, Byte just says, the closest great one is 2 minutes away, and they just restocked ripe yellow bananas. Helpful and specific. Old way, comparing banana prices meant opening 5 different shopping sites and doing math in your head. Badly. New way, Byte just says, this stand has the best price per banana today. No math, no spreadsheets, just the answer. The businesses that show up in these answers aren't lucky. They just made it easy for Byte to trust and quote them. See the pattern? AI search isn't magic. It's just rewarding whoever is genuinely most useful, every single time. So here's the whole video in one banana. Old search handed you a fruit basket and said, good luck, pick one. AI search just hands you the one banana that's already peeled, ripe, and ready to eat. That's the whole shift. And whether you're a searcher or a business, the businesses that win now are the ones who actually deserve to be that one banana. If this made AI search finally click for you, smash that like button, subscribe for more, drop a comment, and go watch our next banana video.